Another year, another promise. Guys, give me a fucking break. I hear you, I see you. I understand everybody wants dirt bike videos. Can I tell you something? It has been a rough couple of years, okay? It's been rough. It's been rough. Why do I need your bum in my face, though? This year, I got a puppy because the fox was chasing my kitty. Ah, fuck, Boris! Last year, squirrel got in my battery box. Wrecked $4,000 worth of stuff. Didn't have power for 4 months. I didn't have heat for the winter. Had to save up money and repurchase a couple things. And they were not cheap. I had a car, a Honda, I don't know if you guys remember, but guess what? It was the worst fucking thing I've ever owned. Got the fuck rid of that. I now have Blue. So I'll probably do a tour of Blue with you guys soon, but I want to wash him and yeah. Did I show you guys Blue already? I don't think so. A 2017 Ford Escape. I love him. He is amazing. But it's funny actually. All my vehicles that I own are blue. But blue is named Blue. B-L-U. Blue. Dirt bike's blue. My pedal bike is blue. They're like the same shade. It was fate. Alright, so you're probably wondering, Samy Bee, I'm only subscribed to you for your dirt bike content, and you keep promising it, and you don't see anything. Was wrong. Well, besides everything I just told you. And also, I built my own house, by the way, and it's not done because I run my own business, and that is not easy in itself, and I don't make a lot of money, so it's taking a long time to fucking get this thing done. So I'm trying to build a house, run a business. I also work on like vehicles because it's too expensive to go to the shop, because my other vehicle that I had was always broken. Always. It actually tried to kill me like 5 times. Didn't see the video? Check it out up here. What else? Everything. Just when do I get to sit and do nothing? Never. Anyways, where's the YouTube videos of the dirt bikes? Well, it needs a bit of love, okay? I've also been working really, really hard on my YouTube channel. I'll be totally transparent. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, which I did. Thank you guys so much. But I also need 4,000 watch hours. Why? Because the ads that you watch in my videos, I don't get paid for them. And you know what? I'm gonna be so totally fucking transparent. I want to get paid for those ads because someone's making money off them and it ain't fucking me. And guess who's doing all the fucking work? Me. And like, I need it. I need the money, guys. So anyways, I've been doing 4 YouTube videos a week as well as a podcast twice a month. On every full moon and every new moon. Check those videos out here. That's been my life. And on top of that, trying to balance relationships, friendships, family time, time with my animals, everything. Yep, that's right. Life is fucking crazy. So, yeah. And also I don't have water either, so like it's been tough trying to figure out how to get water for the house too. So, I could name 1,000 reasons why this dirt bike isn't running, but I will show you what we've done. I had a friend come over. Actually, he was a complete stranger at the time, but we're kind of friends, but kind of don't know each other quite well. But I invited a total stranger over to my house, and he came and gave me a little bit of help with my carb. You can see it's off. I just have this over it for like water protection. I can't believe there's no snow right now. I don't know how I'm so lucky. Hey, buddy. So, also, I think I need a new battery again. This one's brand new, and I think it's dead. Yeah, that's my bad. So, the carb is off, and so, my friend said that I need to, like, give it a really good clean. So I went to do that, but then I had another friend come look at it, and he's, like, a carb expert. I'm not saying my other friend isn't, but I had another friend come, and he's like, just get a new one off Amazon. They're cheap. No, he said that. Oh my god. Okay, my first friend He's like, just get one off Amazon. So then I was like, okay, but then I didn't have the money, of course. So then I had to wait. And while I was waiting, I had a friend come over who specializes in carbs, and he's like, don't get one off Amazon. They're really cheap, and I know someone who got one and it wasn't good. So he's like, I'll clean your carb for you and take it apart. And so then he did that, and then he's like, okay, all I need you to do is order these parts off of Yamaha, and then we can put it all together. So that's where we're at. And I waited till the end of the year because life has been insane. And I know I keep saying that, but like, my life is insane. And I'm sorry for your, actually, I shouldn't even apologize, but I am sorry to those people who subscribe to me only for my dirt bike content, and I keep promising it, because my life doesn't evolve around my dirt bike as much as I wish it could be more incorporated into my life. But I know how important it is to have that feeling of riding my bike. Every time I get on my bike, I'm like, what took me so long? So as we are coming to the end of the year, it is November 4th today. I'm getting mixed up because someone said it was the 5th, and I was like, no, it's not. But we're lucky we don't have snow. So I'm not going to promise you that I'm going to have my bike together before the snow hits. And I don't know if you guys remember in this video, but when I tried riding in the snow and the ice, I wiped out and I might have fucked something up on my bike and it really hurt myself. Let's not do that again. I'm not going to hurt myself for content. I'm not stupid. You know, obviously if you want more content, I need to be alive. I don't know if we're going to be running her this year, but I'm going to do my best to get you guys, get this bike running. And I know I promise it is every fucking year. And I am sorry. I am sorry. And I wish I could have it running. And I guess I just wanted to tell you that I am already in the process of getting that carb rebuilt. And once it's rebuilt, hopefully she should be good to go. Like I said, if there's any leak or something from the last time I wiped it out, we'll have to address that. But otherwise, I think it's just the carb that needs to be rebuilt and it should run fine. For any of you who have been patient or impatient, waiting for kickstart videos and riding videos, I'm sorry, you guys. I really am. Do you remember my shed cleaning video? Oh my god. It's full of fucking mice. Again, so I probably won't do that again. But I just wanted to say, I am actually working on it, but it's taking a long time because I'm trying so hard to keep my head above water, and it is really hard in today's economy and today's industry, and I got a lot of things on my plate. I don't just sit around and do nothing. That's something I would like to do this winter. I would like to sit around and do nothing. I really would. Oh, I don't even know what it feels like to sit around and do nothing. But thank you so much for being here still. If you're still here, if you're still waiting, where I live, we do have 6 months of winter. So it's going to be 6 months before you see me riding this thing. But guess what? I should have the carb back together and put on the bike. And by spring, we'll be riding. I wanted to mention that I've also gone through a humongous spiritual change over the past couple months. And it's really opened my eyes to a lot, but one of them being that, to sum it up, like, do what makes you happy and don't let work overtake your entire heart and soul, because I did that for a couple years and it wasn't worth it. I think I lost out on a couple years. I don't feel like I really made any progress with anything. All I did was work, and I don't know if I have really anything to show for it. So, as I know that the world says to put work first, but you gotta put you first. So that's what I'm gonna do. So, with this whole new mindset, if you stick around till spring, I guarantee you tons of beautiful content until then. Like I said, 4 videos a week and 2 podcasts, so that's a lot of fucking content for you guys. I hope you stick around. but I can guarantee you that things will be different in the spring, and I'd love to see myself on that thing just as much as you. So here is the content of us taking apart the carb and that little bit of the story. I'll leave that here, but thank you guys for being here, and it means a lot. With love, Samy Bee. Make sure you subscribe, ring that notification bell, like this video. I want to see the likes. Leave me a love comment below. Say something really nice to my soul. It wants to hear it. I love you guys. Bye. Okay, y'all have been asking for a Kickstart video, and let me tell you, it's time. But I am inviting a complete stranger over to my house to help me get my dirt bike going. What the fuck am I doing? Yeah, so today's video is going to be about that. He offered to help get my bike going, and I'm going to take him up on his offer because nobody else is fucking helping me. So, yeah, this is really crazy. This is like definitely something that most people probably wouldn't do, but I'm gonna do it, and I'm really excited. So let's hope to us get it going. I did purchase this can of seafoam motor treatment, so I'm hoping that it'll work. He, I think, is a bike expert, so maybe together with our brains we can get it going. I'm probably just gonna sit and watch, but I'm gonna do my best to help out and learn as much as I can, but hopefully this doesn't happen again. But yeah, complete stranger coming to my house. Most of my friends don't even know where I live. It's very secret, but yet I'm inviting a complete stranger over to my house. Okay, let's do this. Okay, well, here's the neglected bikeroo. Oh yeah, I forgot there's a leak because I wiped down on it. I probably should tell him that. I'm scared to touch it because there's like so many fucking webs. Oh my fucking god, I don't even know. Oh, yucky. What do I do, man? First of all, the battery's dead, so we're gonna charge it. Come on. It's nice. Alright, so Clay got the carb apart and it is corroded to shit again. So I'm gonna soak it in vinegar. So I'm gonna pour vinegar down the holes. And then I'm gonna fill it up to the point where like it can soak. And Buddy's lost. So we're gonna wait for him to get here and see if he has any other ideas. But yeah, I think I need to run premium from now on. I don't remember if I used to. I honestly don't remember. He got me a monster and a fucking scratch ticket, bro. The real MVP. I am so lucky. That is so amazing. So the verdict is to just buy a new carb instead of fucking around with this one. Buy a new throttle cable instead of fucking around with that one. And then I should be able to ride it now. So I'm gonna buy that and let's go.